Guys, Unstaked have raised over $10 million now, making them one of the biggest pre-sales of 2025. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive in to what makes this platform great. So here we are on the Unstaked platform. And as you can see, these guys just recently hit a massive milestone of $10 million in their raise. And this price is only going to increase over time. So what you need to do is take advantage of this opportunity and join the massive crowd that is getting behind this project. Now, what exactly is this project and what do they do? Well, these guys basically allow for decentralization of AI agents. What does that mean? Well, basically, you can automate tasks across Web3 on social media platforms, offering intelligent, secure, and scalable solutions for creators, businesses, and communities alike. So, in short, this is going to be a massive decentralized marketplace where people can actually create their own AI agents and sell them for profit. So this could be something actually starts its own economy in the Web3 space, and the infrastructure behind that economy is purely unstaked. So Unstaked will basically be running the show here, and holding this token will get you a lot of different benefits. Here we can see in the FAQ section, it says UNSD, or the Unstaked token, is a utility token that powers everything on the Unstaked platform. If you want to create AI agents, well, you can do that with the Unstaked token. If you want to unlock advanced features, then yes, the token is your key to that. And if you want to trade or buy the tokens, UNSD is what is going to be used to actually do that. But it's more than just a way to pay for features. Holding UNSD gives you a real say in where the platform is going. Basically, they have a DAO mechanism where you can vote on certain changes or directions the platform's going to take. So this could be implementing a new AI model or LLM into all of the AI agents, or give an option for new customization when creating these agents. So this isn't just your average pre-sale, guys. This is going to be a full-blown economy, marketplace, and it's all going to be powered by this token. So this token will get tons of volume because of that. And volume actually increases the price of tokens if you didn't know that. Now, the key features of the platform are obviously the AI-powered agents, where you could automate marketing, community management, content creation, and a lot more across platforms such as X, Telegram, Discord, and even Instagram. You get full customization over these agents, which basically means you can define how your agents behave, evolve, learn, and interact with the users that are using them. And all of these agents will be running on chain, so that's going to be good for transparency, ownership, and safety for the control of these AI agents. Now, if you were to create your own AI agent, which is very simple to do, then you're actually going to be able to earn from that by like renting it out or offering advanced features for people that are using that agent. So if someone was managing their social media or running their own Web3 project, then they're going to want socials run for that as well. They're going to want a support system to answer questions, and that is exactly where Unstaked is going to be thriving, because you could get all of your Telegram and Instagram messages answered automatically by these agents, and you could program the agents to know everything about your project. Now, for Tokenomics, we can see they're doing a massive 60% for pre-sale and 25% for liquidity, and then 10% for pre-sale marketing. So we're looking at over 80% of the supply here actually being given directly to the community, which is going to be massive for decentralization and building that economy up and scaling the platform as a whole. And the team here only have 5% of the supply, which I think is a fantastically low number considering the scope of this project. Now, buying this token is super easy. All you got to do is go to the dashboard, as you can see here, and then yes, you can see they've raised 10 million very easily here so far. Now, this price will go up, so it's important to act now before the launch price. But we can see it's very easy to get involved. All you got to do is actually select what chain you want to use, whether it's Ethereum, BNB, or USDT. You want to connect with one of your wallets. They do a bunch of wallets here that are compatible, which is fantastic. And then you're simply going to type in the amount you want to buy with. So if we want to buy with 1 Ethereum, you can see we're actually going to get a pretty decent amount here. We're going to get 200,000 of these tokens. And then from that point, we simply press buy tokens and then confirm that transaction to reserve them. From a referral standpoint, if you do have your own network, you can see you're going to get 10% of. When we're talking referrals, if you do have a network or an alpha group, then of course you can actually get your own link here by connecting your wallet like so. Your link will appear here. You copy that, you throw it into your groups, and then you're going to get 10% bonus UNSD for every referrals transaction. And your referral link will be here actually, and your referral earnings will actually be here on the dashboard as well, so you can go ahead and check that as you wish. But overall, this platform is revolutionizing AI by decentralization and obviously allowing it to run socials for different people, as well as having the economy where people can build, customize, upgrade, and create their own agents for use. This is going to be a huge, huge thing in the future. So Unstaked are right over the target right now. If you do want to get involved, check it out in the description. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day.